How to enable and disable notifications for the Sendit app. So first open settings on your phone, then you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in apps. From here, tap on apps, then tap on manage apps, which is right below system app settings. Here you'll again see a search bar at the top. Simply tap on it and type in Sendit. Then tap on the app, then scroll down until you see an option called notifications. Then tap on it. From here, you can enable or disable your Sendit notifications, and it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.